Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are revising important topics in psychology. This is the 39th topic in series, and it is temperament. We will recall about temperament in psychology. Temperament broadly refers to consistent individual differences in behavior that are biologically based and are relatively independent of learning system of values and attitudes. We will define temperament can be defined as usual attitude, mood or behavior of a person or animal. Historically speaking, during the 2nd century AD, the physician Galen described four temperaments: melancholic, phlegmatic, sanguine, and choleric, based upon the four humors or bodily fluids. These became known as four classical temperaments. The choleric temperament, a person in whom the yellow bile predominates, is said to be choleric from the Greek chol, means bile. The choleric temperament has got core features. Number one, active, optimistic, excitable, and impulsive. They are touchy, hot tempered, restless, irritable, aggressive, and ready to fight. He despises changeability and inflexibility of the purpose. Their characteristics are they are quick tempered, they tend to be users, they are powerful and destructive, they do not forget easily, they do not change their mind even if they are incorrect. They want total control over themselves and around them. The second is the phlegmatic temperament. A person in whom phlegm predominant is said to be phlegmatic, from the Greek phlegmatos, abounding in phlegm. The phlegmatic temperament subject has got core features like they are passive, unexcitable, sluggish in activity. They are careful, controlled, and reliable, calm, even tempered, and peaceful, slow in thoughts and movements, and lack interest. Their characteristics are an even tempered, unemotional, and unexpressive, peaceful, social, friendly, yet uninvolving. They can easily identify the injustice but do not take any action. Kind hearted, yet rarely goes for self sacrifice for affection. Consistent, witty, not demanding. Easygoing, procrastination. The third is the sanguine temperament. A person in whom humor of blood predominates is said to be plethoric, from the Greek, and its temperament being sanguine. The sanguine temperament have the core features as they are sociable and carefree, lively, cheerful, easygoing, confident, responsive and talkative. The behavior is inconsistent with superficial emotions. Their characteristics are they are quick tempered, stubborn, and they exaggerate the things. They are extrovert, cheerful, hopeful, happy, forgetful, autocratic and authoritative. They are talkative, desires company, unreliable, unstable. Sympathetic, sincere, helpful, and demanding. Independent. The melancholic temperament, a person in whom black bile predominate, is said to be melancholic, from the Greek melas means black and chol means bile. The melancholic temperament has got core features. They are pessimistic, reserved, unsociable and sober, sad, moody, nervous and anxious. The thoughts and movements are rapid, Their characteristic features include they are selective, extremely quiet and loners, become sad easily, perfectionist, analytical, self sacrificial, and suicidal, self motivated, responsible, dependable, and loyal, emotional yet non romantic. They are gifted people. Bibliography. We have taken help from following text from the net. Thank you very much for patient listening.